everyone, Double P here and welcome back. So in today's trading session, we attacked NVDA. So let's go over this really quickly. So here's my margin account. If I'm not looking at you as I'm talking to you, I'm looking at my screens over here. So if you say, well, why does it say partially delayed data? Stock is in real time, Amex, New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, all real-time feeds. Equity options, real-time feeds, futures and futures options, I don't trade them, and Forex and others, all real-time feeds. So it's all real-time feeds there. So we attacked NVDA, and as you can see here, NVDA is dropping like a rock. And what do we do first? We always draw the box. So we draw the box. This is where NVDA opened up right here. And when we draw the box, we know NVDA is going to go short. And as you can see here, here's the 200 and here's the 20 sloping, just going right downhill. NVDA right now is down 7% and just continuing to drop. Over here is the option chain. As you see here, I marked out my stop. My stop is $3.60. It tapped it probably 2 times, then it just ripped there, and the option right now is $7. And I should have stayed in the trade. I took a swing trade yesterday on NVIDIA for the earnings that they had, and got crushed with the earnings, but it made it back with the puts. So let's come over here so you can see my account. I'm a man of full transparency, so you see everything. So right here, you'll see NVIDIA. I bought the 262.50, 265 call debit spread. And as you see here, it didn't go my way. So that was a loss of about $1,500 right there. And then this morning, I bought the 247.50 puts. And as you see here, I sold for a nice profit of $5,960.60. So overall profit for today, $4,440 on the day. So full account right there. You see my order fills. I'll show you my order fills too. I mean, this is what it's all about. There's nobody on YouTube right now that is doing what I'm doing. Trading live in real time, showing their real time live accounts and showing you exactly what's going on. No one's doing it. Or let me reframe that. Very few. There's like half of a 1% of people that are actually traders, real traders that are doing it. Less than half of 1% of traders that are doing it. So if you like that information, you like what you see here, this is what we do in the Platinum Traders Beta Testers group. We trade live, we trade real time. There's no funny business, there's no shenanigans, there's no hiding of anything, nothing's blocked out, nothing shaded, so you can't see what's going on. I mean, if you like that video, you like this video, you like my video series that I've been putting on for free, smash that like button, smash that like button, smash that like button. I'd love to get some more subscribers. Share this video so other people can see it as well. I want to make sure that you guys trade in real time and you make money. Was there red days? Yeah, I took a loss. You saw my loss. It was $1,500. I put $20,000 capital at risk and I lost $1,500. Earnings didn't work out for me, but I turned around quickly, look at what was going on. You know what I mean? I see what's going on in the marketplace. I looked at what's happening here. This is my automated system. This is no joke, right? We're going short. And look at this drop. This is beautiful. This is what you want to see. I should have held on to that put. Look at the put. It was $7.60, right? I bought it at $4.08. I bought the put at $4.08. Put capital at risk, right? And $7.06. I should have held on to it. But you know what? I made the money that I made today, and I'm very blessed and very happy for it. Somewhere in this video, you're going to see a link. Click that link. Head on over to my site, and I'll see you in the profit zone. Take care, everybody. Double P over and out.